and welcome back to another episode of Treasure Hunting with Lucy,
Jenna,
and May behind the camera.
And happy Monon Bell Week!
It's the best week of the year, in my opinion. I haven't experienced it fully yet, but I'm really excited
It's
about it.
It's practically a national holiday, and we are so excited to experience our first one this weekend.
Yes, and we have a very exciting product for you today. We have a fidget cube. Read it off.
This is the Sashibo Fidget Cube. It is $25 on Amazon, and it comes in this lovely little box here. And we do have a slight disclaimer for you.
Our sweet producer extraordinaire May was playing with the cube beforehand, and I ended up getting it out of its original cubic form, and the combined brain power of me, Larry, Jenna, and May could not get it to revert back to its original form in which it was presented to us, so this is what we have. That says a lot about either my intelligence or the cube.
So
you decide.
Just imagine that we're pulling it out of this box here from Amazon, small packaging. It'd be a great stocking stuffer or just any other small gift that you might need. But yeah, it should come in a cube, kind of like a Rubik's Cube shape. And it's really neat because it has these different colors on it. So
I'm a purple person, so I'm immediately drawn to the purples.
Yeah, and some blue, green, white.
I know I always see people, little kids playing with fidgets on the internet, so I think this would be good for that community if there's any of you out there watching. I'm not a big fidgeter, but I've been having a good time. It's a little bit, I can't get it back to its original form. I've been playing with this for a long time beforehand.
The instructions do show how to technically get it back, but if it tells you anything, none of us were able to do that. So this is definitely not like an entry-level sort of thing. I would say it's probably at the same difficulty as like a Rubik's Cube or maybe something similar.
I also can't solve a Rubik's Cube, so maybe that says a lot
neither.
about me as well. May can't either! May can't either! No, you can?
Let's see. It also looks like that there are, you can collect different colors of them.
There are multiple different
There's
colors.
like black and white, there's a blue planet one, there's a space theme, under the sea. So yeah, this would be something really good to get into if you're looking to kind of start collecting more of like a fidgety Rubik's type thing.
You can expand your collection.
Yeah.
Your fidget collection. And yeah, I don't know.
I feel like I always struggle to find gifts for like my brothers especially, and they're very like mathy and puzzly, so this would be a good alternative for someone that, likes to do like puzzles or crosswords, just a little brain tweezer.
Brain tweezer?
Teaser. It's a brain teaser, but it's just something fun to do if you can do it the right way. If not, it might be a little frustrating. What would you rate it, Lucy?
Well, based off first impressions, I'll give it like a 7 or 8 just because it was taking up so much of my time. Full disclosure, I'm not like, I don't want to say I'm not smart, but I'm not the type of person that's like really into brain teasers, so I can very easily just be like, okay, I'm done. Some people cannot put that down. Like some people are like with a Rubik's Cube, they can't stop until they figure it out. I'm not that person. I'm very good at giving up on things. So maybe the willingness to let go makes it a more enjoyable experience for me. I was very entertained by it.
I feel like this is just a little ASMR too for our fans, just watching us mess around with the. I would probably rate it also like maybe a 6 or 7 out of 10. Definitely not as cool as our popcorn and waffle machines in the last few weeks, simply because I'm not getting food out of this product.
Yeah.
But that's okay. We'll figure out a solution later for that. But
what was your first impression of the product as soon as you started playing with it?
It's kind of like, it's good if you are somebody that needs to be multitasking. I'm not sure I would necessarily take this with me to class.
It's a bit bulky to take to class and like play with under the desk.
I'm pretty sure at home my dogs might try to chew it up. So this is just something I'd probably keep at my bedside table to fidget with if I'm like watching Netflix or something. So yeah.
I have very limited fidget experience, but in my previous fidget experience, I find that if I'm playing with one or something like, let's say, a Pop-It, it's really entertaining for the first 5 minutes, and then it just rapidly declines.
I got it!
How did you do that? She did it, everybody. She's a genius.
Stay tuned. We have a couple more episodes coming. Okay, not now. Stay tuned. We have a couple more episodes coming up for you on Treasure Hunting with May. But for now, I'm Jenna Newton.
I'm Lucy Reisner, and May
Happy Monon!
Happy Monon!